Hello everyone, I'm Kelly Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Every year, on the 15th of August, according to the lunar calendar, the Chinese will celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival. And mooncake is the indispensable dessert served during this occasion. And that's why this festival, we also call it as Mooncake Festival. However, lots of people think it is very complicated to make it at home. And that's why I'm making this video to show you an easy mooncake recipe. Let's take a look how to do it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. The first step to making mooncake is to making the dough. There are only 4 ingredients required: golden syrup, lime water, oil, and some flour. This is the golden syrup. Measure it accurately. Half teaspoon of lime water. Next, cooking oil. I'm using peanut oil, but you can use any other oil as long as it has a neutral flavor. Then use a wire whisk or a fork to combine all the ingredients. And then add the cake flour which has been sieved. Then combine well. Eventually it will stick together to form a dough. Keep mixing until it picks up all the flour in the bowl. Cover with cling wrap. Keep it refrigerated for half an hour before we use it to wrap the fillings. Now we move on to prepare the fillings. There are only 2 ingredients: salted egg yolk and lotus paste, store-bought lotus paste. Separate the yolk from the whites and then rinse it. You can rinse it because it is quite firm. Then pat dry. We need to measure the weight accurately. The amount that we are looking for is the yolk and the lotus paste add together, it should be 35 grams. Okay. Pick up the lotus paste, roll it, and form a disc shape with a dent at the center. Put the egg yolk inside and wrap it up. Roll it with your 2 palms so that the egg yolk will stick on to the lotus paste. Once we have finished wrapping the egg yolk, now get back to the dough. I've divided the dough to 10 portions and each portion is about 17 to 18 grams. Yep. Place a portion of the dough on the cling film and then cover with another. Roll it out. Place the filling right at the center. Fold the dough upwards. And then pinch a little bit extra dough over here to put it on top. And then remove it from the cling film. Use your finger to mold the dough just like squeezing plasticine. Make sure that the filling is fully encased inside. Roll the dough in between two palms. This will ensure that the dough will stick well to the fillings. Otherwise, after baking, the fillings may separate from the dough. Prepare the egg wash. Pour the egg through the wire mesh strainer. This is to capture all the bubbles and the large pieces of egg whites. We will use this egg wash to apply to the surface of the mooncake. Place the mooncake dough in flour. Dust off the extra. Then place the mold on it and press it to form the pattern. Before we put it into the oven, spray some water on the surface. This will avoid the pastry cracks in the oven. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius top and bottom temperature for about 5 to 6 minutes until the surface of the mooncake starts to firm up. After 6 minutes, remove the mooncake from the oven. Apply the egg wash only to the surface. And then return it back to the oven. Continue baking for another about 10 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. When it's done, remove from the oven and let it cool down. Store the mooncake in an airtight container for at least 2 to 3 days before consume. During these 2 days, the oil from the filling will migrate back to the pastry and make it soft and shiny. This is how to make the traditional Chinese mooncake. The dough is quite standard, but the fillings you can always make changes according to your liking. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until next time, I'll see you again. I'm KB Kwan from tasteasianfood.com. Bye for now.